Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Okay guys, so we do have some updated news about Boxypopup. Now this is going to be BoxyCharm's add-on feature. We don't have all the info, but we have some, and we actually have one spoiler for this box. So far we know that it will be launching in July, and this is the first sneak peek. This is the Benefit the professional primer. I'm sorry, I said professional like it's supposed to. And you can be one of the first to sign up to find out the exact day that it launches. All you have to do is go to BoxyCharm.com and sign up on their email. I'll leave them linked below. Now, this is going to have a lot of add-on stuff, and it's going to be up to 70% off. So everything's going to be discounted. And again, it's launching in July. They are going to have makeup, skincare, hair, body tools, lifestyle. It's just going to be all kinds of stuff, and I cannot wait to find out more about it. As soon as they release any more information, I will keep you guys updated. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.